Okay, folks, hi everyone. Of course, welcome back to my videos. Thank you for watching. Okay, I have almost 700 subscribers. Yay! Okay, so today I have a Makita rotary hammer drill. It's HR2470. It's made on 2060, so it's really not old tool. Honestly, the customer is using it for 2 or 3 months, so really nothing bad for it. Okay, and of course the problem the customer is facing that the clutch is too weak. So of course we will check that, check what's wrong. As you can see, the tool looks almost like new. It's a really good customer using the tool in really good conditions. It's almost not scratched and not dirty. Okay, so yeah, all tools must look like this. Okay, of course I will deassemble it. I think it's a best tool Makita made, best hammer drill on the market, of course, in this range, because it's cheap, it lasts for long, it's powerful enough, it's easy to repair, it's a really good tool. Okay, so now of course what I need to do first, I will remove the carbon brushes. It's a handle cover here, so 3 screws here, so I need to unscrew them. They are PH2 screws. Okay. Okay, we can see it's not a lot of dust here. The carbon brushes, of course, it's like new. Okay, so I prepared some parts here for this tool. So we will see if all parts will be needed to change or not. Okay, one bad thing, what I can see, it's inside it's all shiny, and that's not good. That means the customer not using the grease here. Okay, so it's really bad. Okay, just use the grease. So I removed the cap. Now I remove the ring spring or the spring ring. Okay, of course you can remove it with special pliers, but I'm doing that with a screwdriver. You can see it's no grease here, so I really don't like it. Okay, I can see some dirt here. You can see some dirt, of course it's not a problem. Just cleaning it a little bit with a screwdriver. Okay, then cleaning your table. So, okay, as I know that it's a new tool, I sold it, so I know how long it was used and I know that customer. Okay, so now it's time to remove the button. It's very easy to do, just pressing the red button till the end. I will do that with a screwdriver till the end, and let's just stop spinning it. Okay, you can take it to the drilling mode, then press it till the end and spin it. You can see the groove here, so you need to get a switch here. So doing that again. Of course you can easily press it with your finger. Now removing the switch, just hold the red button to not pop out because it's a spring inside, and lifting it with a screwdriver. It's really easy to do that. Okay, I will try to remove the cover by not touching the motor. So the 4 screws here, I need to unscrew it to remove the hammer casing or hammer housing. Okay, so all 4 screws are removed. Okay, I don't like that it's no grease here, so okay, but still. Now I will try to hold the tool holder with my one hand and push the housing out. Okay, it's not so easy as it looks from the first side. Yep, it's out. So in this case, I'm not moving the armature. Okay, so for the clutch, for this tool, the clutch is on a tool holder. Okay, so the clutch is this gear. It's okay. I have a new tool holder and the gear. You can see the teeth here and here. Here come together, and the drill is working on overload. This gear is stopped. So sorry, the tool holder is stopped because the drill bit is stuck or something, and it holds, and the gear is still moving. So it's pressing the spring. It's pressing the spring up by going on a tension, and pops. Okay, and it's working like that when the clutch is working. So okay, on normal mode it's just spinning like this, it's nothing happens. This one was in a place. So okay, so what we can check now, of course, you can check how easily it spins or not. Okay, now of course I cannot spin it with my hand, so I will do the easiest way. I will remove the clutch. Okay, it's a spring ring here. Okay, normally you need something to press this flat washer down, and then you will remove the ring, but I'm not doing that. I'm just removing the ring with a screwdriver. Okay, just going with a screwdriver. Okay, the ring is going out easily. Okay, so the ring is here. Okay, the flat washer, the spring. Of course, if you have a new spring, you can feel the tension, if it's different or not. Okay, so now the most important part is this of the gear. Okay. I will clean it with paper. Okay, because I want you to see that. Okay, what we have here. So, sorry, bumped the camera with my head. Okay, so as you can see, the teeth here are really good. We can compare them with a new one. So they are similar. Okay, about this gear, we can see that this corner is a little damaged. So on this one, you can see the scratches here. That means the clutch was working, was splitting. Okay, so okay, it's grease here. Okay, now the corners are different a little bit. It's really not much. I don't know if you can see it on a camera because it's hard to see that on a not on a camera. So okay, yeah, my hands is shaking. I don't know, it's a new gear here, so yeah, it's really hard. Okay, what we need to do just to change it. Okay, so we will change the gear. I'll change the spring. Okay, and I will leave the old tool holder. Of course, I will tell the customer to use the grease here. So okay, now just mounting the gear here, putting the spring on, the flat washer, the spring ring. Okay, and one of the easy way to put on the ring spring is to use the old gear. Just press it down. Of course, it's not always going with the fingers, so for better grip I'm using this one. Okay, so I think the ring is on now. Of course, check if it's perfectly on in a groove. Okay, it's not perfectly, you can see that it's in a groove now, and here it's not in a groove, so okay, I will do that again. Okay, now it's in a groove. So what we need to do next, just assemble it. Of course, change the glove. Okay. Okay. So it's a hammer inside. Everything looks good here. Okay, so we need to assemble it back. It's very easy. Of course, don't forget it's a flat washer here. So you need to put this one. Okay, I will put some Makita grease here. I have it's 1 liter, I think. No, it's 500 milliliters of Makita grease. You can buy it on a 30 grams, I think. It's code 181490-7. If I could remember, it's a yellow Makita grease in a small bottles. I think the one bottle costs not more than 5 euros, so it's not expensive. Okay, so now we need to put the housing on back. Okay. Just press it on. Okay, now it's in. Of course, I will screw the screws in. Okay, so now I will close the back cover. Okay, now it's time to install this switch. Okay, it's very easy. You need to insert it like this. Just put it on the housing, then spin it counterclockwise until the same gap it was removed, the same place it was removed. Press the red button till the end, press it down, and it will go. Okay, of course, just check if it's going or not in all position. Okay, so now it's the tool holder part. Okay, the spring going, the washer for the ball. Just pressing the washer and the spring down, inserting the ball here. Put it on the flat washer. The cover, pressing everything down. The spring ring, have the flat side here. It goes to the flat side on the tool holder. Mounting it on, and I will install it with a screwdriver. Okay, just holding one side of the ring with the housing. Now I'm holding the housing. I'm moving the housing like that, and putting the ring on. Yep, it was very easy. Okay, so that's all, folks. It was a repair and the clutch gear, spring change. on the Makita rotary hammer drill. Okay, so once again, so it's really easy repair, quick repair. You can do it yourself easily on a home with no, I don't know, special tools. You need just a screwdriver. So okay, so thank you for watching. Of course, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. You can follow me on Twitter. I think now I have 6 followers. Okay, so okay, for now, thank you for watching and see you in my next videos. Bye.